Hello, nice to meet you. There is Shenzhen's Motion Technology Company, Limited. Now, bring you related motion control technical support. Today, let's see how to match motion controller with Teach Pendant for your robot application. If you want to read text, our website has original description. For handheld Teach Pendant. As we all know, it is a portable operation device. Main parts are shell, inner circuit board, control panel, connecting cable. Then convenient to achieve specified control or operation functions. Specifically, in the area of mechanical equipment, do remote control and operation, which can promote your process efficiency and safety level. In the area of industrial control system, it is used as HMI. Complex control commands in and feedback can be achieved. According to this, Motion developed Teach Pendants also. Here, take ZHD400X and ZHD500XB as reference. Then, introduce it from these four parts. It can be seen from simple description to real operation. Let's start. First part, simply view these two Teach Pendants. They both are touchscreen Teach Pendant with network displaying, and must be used together with the motion controller that supports ZHMI function. ZHMI function is to develop HMI interface in our free IDE software RT-Sys. RT-Sys supports development, communication, and debugging. Usually, develop script program by RT-Basic and design your HMI interface by RT-HMI. Then, do communication and debugging. During these, you can do motion and check state. Until achieve you needed motion control. It can be known easy to use because of high integration of RT-Sys. You can download it from website. Even if you don't have real controller, there is simulator you can test in advance. But please refer to its user manual at first. For these two ZHD Teach Pendants, the main differences are in screen, button function. Obviously, ZHD500XB is with higher resolution and more buttons. Here, show their corresponding features and details. You can do simple model selection according to this. Second part, when you get one ZHD Teach Pendant and others. How to configure them in the structure design. Here shows the hardware wiring. Actually, they follow same rule. In display part, we use the interchanger to connect them at the same time. In the last part, we will see how to achieve connection using interchanger. Here notes their IP additionally. Because when you connect and communicate with them by Ethernet, IP addresses are in same segment. Front three are same, the last one is different. Then, you can connect to drive devices through EtherCAT or Pulse. Third part, see details of ZHD Teach Pendants layout buttons. This is ZHD 400X. 9 parts in all. For details, please see user manual. Especially for the button that can select the state. This is ZHD 500X. 12 parts in all. For details and differences, also see user manual. These buttons are with corresponding codes. For example, value 1 for ZHD 400X means manual mode. For ZHD 500XB means mode 1. And 2, 3, 4, 5 are with different functions. When you press one button, ZHD will send the information to your controller. Then controller receives the feedback. At this time, you can bind with virtual button. How to bind, please refer to RTHMI program manual. These are separate function keys on the Teach Pendant board. Each button corresponds to each function. The last part, how to use. In total, there are 3 steps. Let's see one by one. Step 1, you need to connect to the power supply. You just follow the wiring rule. There is one crystal head on connecting cable side. Connect the red cable to DC 24 voltage positive pole. And connect the black cable to DC 24 voltage negative pole. Don't connect them inversely. Step 2, do touch calibration and wave up the screen. There are 3 methods. The easiest and most convenient one is the first method. You just click the screen continuously. The shape is like Z and twice. That is, upper left, upper right, lower left, lower right. One Z, then one more time, another Z. You will see the screen appears one interface. and displayed functions you can use. IP selection, touch adjust, connection, etc. For method 2. You need to connect to software at first. Then send the command to trigger it. For method 3, different ZHD pendants need different buttons to trigger. You don't need to do software connection. Just press the button. Follow this. Then do according to screen guidance. Step 3, do connection. When you have already obtained the motion controller. 2 ways for you. You can directly connect them. 4 steps only. At first, connect your controller to PC and software at the same time. In RTSys, download your edited project into ROM. Disconnect controller to PC. Then, connect your controller to Teach Pendant by net cable. Note their IP. Next, wake up the pendant and do connection after selecting correct IP. Basically, connection can be done successfully after these. If you completed them, but there is no IP in step 4, you can try to the second way. For this, you need to prepare one interchanger and connect them by the interchanger. Then, these two are same. Next, connect your ZHD to the software. Now, in RTSys, you only need to send this command to trigger it. If you need more, for example, make the program real-time show. After step 5, do these. However, if you don't have real motion controller now, no problem, we also support simulation and testing. Download our software in advance. Then, you can develop your needed program. Or just open our routine. Connect to simulator. Then download the program. Next, 2 methods to open it. You can directly click Show in Simulator window. You also can find the XPLC screen plugin. Select Simulator IP. Then connect. Okay, now, you can test. After the whole introduction and learning, it can be known all will use our RTSys. And in next video, we will operate in RTSys to make you learn easily. RTSys is a good software to achieve you needed motion control function. You can try it. Download directly from our website. Please remember to check its user manual. Also, the article description also can be obtained in website. Thank you for your watching. Any help about product, about usage, let us know. See you next time. Have a nice day.